Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to talk to you about video and how you can use video to drive your traffic, and especially what platform would be the best for that. If you speak about paid advertisement, it's not really it's good in the short term, but if you consider in long-term development, you always need to find like the most sustainable organic traffic sources where you can put your content out there, and like eventually it will constantly grow and deliver your new audience and deliver your permanent traffic. The way how YouTube works, you put video out there and then it takes some time to for YouTube to understand your video, to understand which audience would be the right for that video. And then after, let's say, 1 month, it start to grow. But same time, if you don't have 1 month to wait, what you're gonna do? You're gonna go to Pinterest, because Pinterest just recently they introduced new feature which is called videos. So before that, people can only post like images to Pinterest platform, and by the way, Pinterest is the second biggest social media platform after Facebook and Instagram together. So basically you can imagine how many people, how much traffic is there. And just recently Pinterest introduced that you can upload videos to your boards, and because it's a new feature, they give it like the biggest possible boost. For one of our e-commerce projects, we do like video visualization of the product. So we just take a product in your hand and you make a short video for like 25-30 seconds, rotating it and like just showing the general idea and quality to your potential buyers, saying this is the product, that's how it looks like, and that's it. So nothing special, no video animation, no like special effects. Just to produce this video, it takes us like, I don't know, like 3 minutes with your phone. And we put this video both on YouTube and Pinterest. And then like on YouTube, it's still just really few views over 1 month. So even today we have like 10-15 views per video. But same time when we upload it to Pinterest, it just skyrocketing, like overnight we got like thousands of views. Of course it's not lasting you long, but same time, if you do it constantly, so you will have this kind of boost all the time. And then if you upload the same videos to Instagram and YouTube, like over time you will see growth there. So by the time when your videos are not really visible on Pinterest anymore, because like again, Pinterest work in the short term. Pinterest boosts your videos for like next several days. But YouTube works that it grows your video over time. So basically you can have this structure when you upload videos same time on YouTube and Pinterest, and in the very beginning your video performs the best on Pinterest, and then over time this video will start to perform on YouTube, so you have this organic traffic from YouTube to your website. And that is how you can manage this organic reach without any paid advertisement. That was quite interesting discovery for us, because we didn't really expect that we're gonna have this massive boost on Pinterest, but we just saw that there is a new feature and we decided to be early on the platform to try this feature, and we get there, and like I would be honest, like what I see in the very first several minutes after uploading my videos, I was like shocked. So I upload the video, I don't have huge following base there on Pinterest, like we have 50 followers or something like that. So but you upload videos there, and then over like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I can see like 1,000 views, 1,500 views, I can see 2,000 views and 3,000 views. I was like, what is it really happening? How it is possible that on the platform where I don't have huge presence, I put video out there and it's kind of like skyrocketing? Like for me, after trying like times after times, trying to do that with YouTube, Instagram, which is already, let's say, overloaded with the content which is being uploaded there every single minute. Like, and you can see like, okay, I put it on Instagram, and then there should be algorithm, should be some consistency, and you need to put it there, you need to put hashtags, you need to do all this stuff, and then like what, 10 views? after 1 week, like is it really happening? But then you put it on YouTube and you can see that, okay, it's not really active now, but then after 1 month you can see, okay, it's getting bigger and bigger, but still not that much, like even not 100 views. And then you put it on Pinterest, and like just overnight you get like thousands and thousands of views. So guys, if you're looking for some organic like for the opportunities to grow your reach organically, Pinterest in terms of video can be your right platform for now, because now it's kind of like new to the platform, and they try to like to boost it as much as possible. They try to test it, and that is what is important for them nowadays. So you can be one of those first guys who who use this opportunity, to be early on that feature. And I hope that was interesting to you, and I hope it was useful to you. If you have any questions, if you have comments, please don't just put them below this video. Also like this video and subscribe. That's gonna be motivation for me to create a new one. Yeah, that's it for today, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.